Hey guys, welcome to another video, and you can tell by the title this is a prank. But before we get started, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And today we are going to be opening some fake packages. As you can see here, they're fake packages. So let's show you this. Package number 1. It says, from YouTube to Awesomeness with Luca AWO, but this is not really from YouTube. So we're going to open this up and see what it is. And I think I have a feeling, 'cause look. Yep, it is the fake silver play button. And I know this is not really how it's gonna come. And as you can see, this is made of cardboard, so it is fake. And it also doesn't say congratulations for surpassing 100,000 subscribers either. Yes, I knew how much. So this one is done. Now let's go on to this one. Except this one says from YouTube to Luca. Okay, so let's open this one. I think I'm giving a guess already. Yep, my guess was correct. It is the fake golden play button. Oops, this way, oops. It's this one. So this is the fake golden play button. The last one, I bet you guys can guess what this is. And it fell open. Oopsies. So I bet you guys can guess what this is. It's huge. It's humongous. Wait, I'll give you a better look at that. Isn't it? And yes, it is. As you can see, it is the fake diamond play button. And you can make these with cardboard, and it's pretty good. And I forgot to do the nightlight video. I forgot to do this video with the nightlight. So I'll do that in actually in a second maybe. I'm not sure if I already did it though. I think I might have, but I think I might have not too. So let me just point that up. And here we go. I'm going to turn the lights off, and it should be active. Right now it's facing me, but it's not really showing up on the wall. Well, I'm sorry guys, we can't show you that. So that's pretty much for this video, guys. Goodbye.